Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see one more stock using our multi-year breakout strategy. So let's move to charts now. And the stock name is Vardhman Textiles Limited. So first we'll go in the history of this stock. So earlier in year 2006, this stock made a high. So I'll just mark this level. Then the stock went downwards. Then it tried to gain the same level, you can see, but it did not give a close above this. And then in 2013 November, it made its first attempt. So here we can see the stock has again tried to touch the same levels, and finally here in June 2014 the stock has given breakout in the second attempt. Okay, so ideally what should be our target in this case is we will calculate this range. So I'll just calculate from here till here and place this above our breakout range. Okay, and let's mark this level. So assuming we took entry after this candle, the target would be of around 67%, and let's see if that was achieved or not. So you can see in July 2015 the target has achieved. The stock has reached 155 levels, and it was around, you can see, in 413 days, meaning almost 1 year. And the breakout range you can see from 2006 to 2014, so meaning around 8 years of breakout has happened, and this has given us massive returns of 66% within a year. Now I will show you what's currently happening in this stock. So here you can see after this breakout, then the stock has given a new high in January 2022. I will mark this level now. Then stock went downwards. Then it tried to give breakout here, which was in July 2024, but it did not give successful breakout in the first attempt. Then here again you can see it tried to give, but I will not consider as it did not touch the same breakout level. And finally, now in the second attempt you can see the stock has given breakout. So what would be our target in this case? So we have to calculate the range. Again I will calculate the range from here till here, and we will place this over this breakout range. So the ideal target in this stock is coming around 907 levels, and if we consider after the breakout, let's say we entered here, it's around 50% of target. And the breakout range is, we can see, from 2022, and now we are in 2026, so around 4 years of breakout range. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. So in this stock earlier, this multi-year breakout strategy has worked successfully. So now we need to see if the history will repeat again in this stock or not. So yeah, that's it for the video. And guys, please make a note, this video is just for learning purpose only, not a buy, sell or hold recommendation video. So thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.